Page 55, Frankie and Johnny. It's a piece, they put it in cut time, but for the time being and talking about it, I'm going to pretend it's in 4/4 time, and we'll put it back in cut time later. So let's just pretend it's in 4/4 time, where an eighth note gets half a count. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If that rhythm is bothering you, take out that little tie and just play all the notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that way it makes a little more sense. When you get it, put the tie back in, because we need the syncopation. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 3. You think playing the other A, you're just hanging on to the first one. Is all. That rhythm is all over the place. You get it here, you've got it there. You're just changing the notes is all. Until you get to the bottom line, look at the last two measures. You got triplets. So you're down here. Now, 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? Because the 1 is the quarter note. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Ba 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 ba. Helps me if I can feel that. And watch the fingering. 1 5. Because the fourth finger's on it, but 1 5. Then a 2 on the black note, and then a 1, and then a 2 1. And that fingering's a good fingering. Use that. Yeah. Left hand's just got the chords. This is a 12-bar blues again. We're here with occasional blues note stuck in. Just follow it. Keep the left hand soft. It's harmony. It's in the background. Let's go back and talk about this cut time thing. We kind of want to feel this in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's kind of what it's about. That means the right hand has to move. And technically those eighth notes are now like 1 E and a. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4. Hey, 1 E and a, except you're only counting to 2. So it's here. I didn't play that exactly the rhythm they had. I like to improvise a little bit. That's what I do sometimes. Now watch the fingering in the second line on the right hand. You're here, going into the second measure, reach up and put third finger and then F, then the thumb. This connects the notes with the fingers and lets you get into a new hand position. If you can do the scales, this motion, this should not be a problem. Now the other thing, the last thing I need to add, is it's a blues piece. We got eighth notes, we're going to swing them. Bum, ba bum, ba bum, ba bum, bum. Of course you do it in cut time. 1, 2, 1. Slow down at the end. I think that's too fast. I don't agree with this putting it in cut time, but that's what they did, so that's what we're going to do. I would take it in a real slow cut time if you're going to do that. More like a 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. That's what I would recommend. I frankly think it's better in 4/4. Let's try this out together very slowly to check the notes and the rhythms and all that. And I'm not going to pedal at the end. To me, that's a complete waste to pedal there. There's no point. I put the metronome on quarter notes because I want to take this really slow, and to put it on half notes would be too slow. So the metronome is beating 1 and 2 and. Those are, cut time. So it would be like this. 1 and 2 and. So let's try that. I'm going to give us 4 quarter notes and then we'll come in. 1 and 2 and ready and go and